Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Canada. And this brand is called the Unbranded Denim jeans, and they offer Selvedge Denim jeans. And while I was scrolling and making some research on my future purchase for my pair in the Indigo Invitational Year 4 Denim Fade competition, I came across the Unbranded Denim jeans, and I found out that they are on sale. They have their heaviest Selvedge Denim jeans, which is also on sale, and this is the 22 ounces per square yard as their heaviest Selvedge fabric. And so I computed how much will I spend for it, because I'll be paying additional $10 as shipping fee from Montreal, Canada to my forwarder in Los Angeles, California, and then another 1,100 pesos, which is equivalent to $20 or $18 for the item to be shipped to the Philippines. And the original price of this item is $138 US dollars, and then plus additional shipping fee of $10, so the total would be $148. However, it is being offered on sale, and the sale price is $108, which is minus or less $20. So in a way, the savings that I get by buying this on a sale is equivalent to the same expenses that I will incur if I pay for the shipping from Canada to Los Angeles and the shipping from Los Angeles to Manila, Philippines. It's almost the same. I ordered one piece, and I selected their slimmest fit, which is the skinny fit. After studying the size description of the skinny fit, the way I look at it, it will fit me for a better profile in my legs and into my body. I was examining my feet with the skinny slim jeans of Levi's, which is the 512 cut, and I found out that this is very nice for my body profile if I use my boots. So this is an experiment, and I opted to order the skinny fit. This is the UB170. There's no need to introduce the unbranded, because I know for the denim heads, this is one of the cheapest, or maybe the cheapest Selvedge denim jeans that is available in the market. And according to their website, they say that they have the lowest price Selvedge denim because they don't have to pay somebody to, advertise. No artwork, no embroideries, no special buttons. So we're going to open it properly. It is a skinny fit, 22 ounces. It's a slabby Selvedge Indigo UB170, and the size is 30. This is the packaging of the 22 ounces unbranded skinny fit, which is the slabby. We're going to open it or rip the plastic. Can you hear the scratching sound? So this is 22 ounces per square yard. It is size 30, and it's just a simple, very thin leather patch, but there's no brand at all. That's why they are called unbranded. So it says no branding, no washing, no embroidery, no ad campaigns, no celebrities. We will see what is inside. All you pay for is the product. It says 100% cotton, rope dyed sun-furized denim, will not shrink. It says it will not shrink. Hidden back pocket rivets, pull-up leather patch, thick pocket bags, chain stitch hems, blue Selvedge ID. So we're going to check everything that what are written here in the tag or paper tag. So the rivets is very shiny and no protruding thing. It's just plain rivets in the button. Very nice. We'll try to remove the button. So you have 4 buttons. The upper one is a bigger buttons. These are small, very simple. They say they have thick pockets, and we will see. You have the rivets, and it goes all the way up the inside. That's very nice. The tag is UB170. It's size 30, and it is a nice cloth where you can write how many times you use this particular jeans. Fabric is very nice. This is slabby. You have a lot of whitish. The back pocket is not lined. Okay. The rivet is hidden at the back, so you don't see anything at the back. At the front, I mean, there's nothing, but when you look inside, there's a rivet there. One of the reasons why I ordered this is I tend to like these heavy fabrics since I first used the Ironheart 25 extra heavy Selvedge denim jeans, and you know, I begin to like to have my next Selvedge denim to be higher than 20 ounces. So they have a very nice chain stitch on the hem. Okay, and you have blue Selvedge edge, so that's very nice. So I have here a measuring tape, and we'll try to measure each size dimension of this particular jeans. For the waist, I think the measurement is going around, so we'll try to measure this pants by measuring it around. It's 32 inches. If you get the circumference of the waist for a size 30, it is 32 inches. So we go now to the front rise. The front rise says It's 10.75. Yes, it's 10.75. The back rise, it says here the back rise should be 15.25, and it's true. It is 15 and 1/4. The upper thigh, it should be 11.5. So we're going to measure the upper thigh from here, 11.5. Okay. Measure 13 inches. And the knee should be 8.25. Yes, it's 8.25, 8 and 1/4 actually. And then the leg opening is 7.25. It's 7.25, and the inseam should be 33.5. That's right, 33.5. So it is very precise, very accurate. What you can see on the sizer's description on website is exactly the same on the item that you're going to order or receive. We'll go now to the fitting video. In conclusion, I'm wearing my UB170 unbranded right now, and I don't like to remove it already from my body because I really like the fit. Perfect. I think this is the most perfect fit for my body, the skinny fit from Unbranded. And I like the top block. The top block is very relaxed. It's not tight. And the knees, it's just okay. It's just comfortable on my knees. And the hem is perfect. So I will no longer remove this, and I will have to break it immediately, and I'm happy with the result of my order. So in my future orders from Unbranded, I'll make sure that I'll get the skinny fit. Very nice, and my waist size is perfect. Size 30, actual waist is 32 inches, and it is sort of high waist, and I like it very much. So with that, we conclude this video because I'm very happy. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so that you'll be informed of my latest videos in this YouTube channel. And if you have any comments, please write down below, and I'll be glad to answer your questions, concerns, and other positive comments or negative. So I'm happy with my purchase. It is very cheap, no frills. Everything is about comfort. Everything is about the fit, and I really love it. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye.